Ahoy hoy everybody in YouTube modeling community. Lazy-eyed modeler here to do an introduction into the group build that Dirk, Pitt and Classic Plastic 101 are doing. They're doing the Tom Daniels group build, and I find I have 3 Tom Daniels kits here. I have the Pie Wagon, Rommel's Rod, and the one I'm going to try to do for this group build, which is Tom Daniels garbage truck. It's a highly modified garbage truck. It's sort of a surf wagon music platform. You can see the surfboards. There's air tanks on it, and then there's figures that are included. Now, I bought this kit mainly for the figures for other projects, so I don't know if I'll be using them or the surfboards for this build, but we'll see. I picked it up on sale at a hobby shop in Toronto for $14, and for that I couldn't pass it up. Like I say, I wanted the figures and the surfboards. So this is what we're going to do for the Tom Daniels group build. Tom Daniels. Tom Daniels. Tom Daniels. All of a sudden that seemed wrong. So we'll take a quick look inside here. Okay. A quick look. There we go. So, just quickly, description says most garbage trucks are bent, dirty, and full of garbage, not Monogram's garbage truck. This zany and unusual rod is a shining custom machine with all the equipment needed for swinging beach parties. Woo! The kit even includes a mod singing trio complete with a go-go girl vocalist. If you dig fun kits, you'll dig the garbage truck. It's boss. The in way to haul out. So, tires. Big set of slicks and smaller front tires. There we go. Smaller front tires and nice big slicks. You can see some of the chrome stuff here, the wheels, grill, garbage pails, steering wheel, traction bars. That's all on the chrome tree. And as you can tell, this isn't started since we're ripping into it from the outside. Oops. There's one of our mod figures. With a guitar. There's the hood with the suggestion of a blower sticking out. Front axle, drive axle, tie rod, rear end. Ooh, a couple more of the mod figures, including the Go-Go Girl and the back hatch of the garbage truck. And there is surfboards and another part. There's the sides of the garbage truck with flippers hanging off the back end, as well as the wheel backings. There's no motor in this kit. There's the base plate, so there's the suggestion of a motor there. Seats, driver seats, floorboard, scuba tanks, the top of the unit, and something I just accidentally pulled off there that I don't know what it is. I'll have to make sure not to lose that. Side mirrors, instruction sheet, and There is a decal guide on the back. And our decals. So fortunately, it's a pretty simple kit, so that should work in my favor, theoretically. And we'll see, thanks to Dirk and Classic Plastic 101 for not having a time limit on this. So hopefully we can get it done within a reasonable amount of time, but that's my entry. We'll see how it goes. Congratulations to everybody who's getting in on this build. And ironically, we're doing this Tom Daniels tribute build, and just yesterday we get word that George Barris has passed on. So at some point perhaps we have to do a George Barris build. But anyway, that's enough for now, and we'll see you later. Bye now.